Have you ever sat still, staring at nothing, and felt like your mind was completely empty? No thoughts, no emotions, no motivation, just silence. And then you panic. What's wrong with me? Why do I feel blank? Am I losing my mind? Let me say this clearly first. A silent mind is not stupidity. It's not weakness, and it's not failure. In psychology, mental emptiness often appears after overload, not because of lack. Your mind didn't shut down, it stepped back. When the brain experiences too much stress, pressure, or emotional demand, it activates a defense response. Instead of panic, instead of racing thoughts, it chooses silence. Think of it like this. If a computer overheats, it doesn't work faster, it freezes. Your brain does the same. Students feel this before exams. Professionals feel this after burnout. People feel this after emotional exhaustion. The silence isn't random, it's protective. Here's something most people don't realize. An empty mind is often a sign of high mental activity in the past. You thought too much, felt too much, carried too much, so the brain pulls the plug temporarily, not to punish you, but to recover. This is why forcing motivation doesn't work during mental emptiness. Telling yourself to think harder only increases pressure, and pressure deepens the shutdown. Psychology shows that when cognitive load crosses a threshold, the brain shifts into a low stimulus mode. Less thinking, less feeling, and less reaction. It looks like emptiness, but underneath, processing is still happening, silently. Now here's the mistake people make. They assume silence means nothing is happening, but silence can mean integration. Your brain is sorting experiences, compressing memories, reorganizing identity. This is why people often gain clarity after periods of mental emptiness. The insight doesn't come during the silence, it comes after, but only if you don't fight it. Here's the healthy shift. Stop asking, how do I fill my mind? Start asking, how do I support it? When your mind feels empty, reduce stimulation, avoid over-input, sleep properly, write instead of think, walk instead of scroll. Writing is especially powerful because it externalizes thought without forcing emotion. You don't need ideas, you just need movement. One sentence, one list, one observation. That's enough to restart flow. Also, understand this. A silent mind is not your permanent state. It's a transition phase between who you were and who you're becoming. Many people experience this before growth, change, or mental breakthroughs. But because no one talks about it, people label it as something wrong. It's not wrong. It's uncomfortable. And discomfort doesn't mean danger. If your mind feels empty right now, you're not broken. You're resting, rebuilding, resetting. Let the silence pass through you, not scare you. Because once the noise returns, it often returns clearer, quieter, smarter.